Hello programmers and welcome to my Java tutorial videos. We are going to create your first Java program. This program will simply print Hello World to the screen. Hi Java programmers. When you first start Eclipse, the first thing you'll see is the Workspace Launcher. This is asking for where you want to store all your projects. Once you've chosen where you want to store your projects, click OK. Once your program has then loaded on the next screen, you might be given a welcome screen. If so, then select the workbench icon. Then you will be given this screen. First thing you need to do is get the Package Explorer. Right click within this window, select New, and then Java Project. Enter a name for your Java project. I'm calling my first program tutorial. Select Finish. Now Java is a collection of classes. So the first thing we need to do is create our first class. And you do this by right clicking on your project, going to New once again, and then selecting Class. Then enter the name of your class. I'm going to call mine My First App. Then select Finish. And then Eclipse will create your first class for you. And eventually so here is my first class which Eclipse has created. Public indicates that it's available to everything. Class means you've declared a class and you've called it My First App. Then you can see it is then followed by an open brace, which means this is the start of your first app class. This closing brace indicates that this is the point where you end your My First App class. So all the code contained in between these two braces is representing now in Java you need to declare where you want to start writing your code so the compiler knows where your program starts, and to do that we need to call the main method. So we type public static void main, then an open bracket, string with a capital S, block brackets, there's nothing inside them, then args, and at the end an open brace. Java Eclipse automatically puts in the closing brace. So this is our main method. Now basically this is saying public means available to everything. Static is something we'll cover at a later stage, but this has to be there. Void means it doesn't return anything. Main is the name of the method, and these are just some arguments that are passed or returned, which will cover all this sort of thing later stage, but for now you just need to type this exactly as you see it here for it to work. And basically what this does is says to Java, this is where we want to start our program execution. So whatever codes we put here, this will be the very first instruction that we followed, whatever you type in here. So then we're going to put something to the output device, which is the console. This is the basic output device that we use in Eclipse. So to put a message on here, which is hello world, we need to put with a capital S system dot out dot print open bracket, and then we need to always put a string in here when we're using this command, and put hello world. And at the end of every line of code you have to declare it to Java so it knows which is the end of the line, and put a semicolon in there. So if we then run this by clicking run on the main menu, eventually, the first time you run a program might take a little bit longer, it's just initializing everything, but basically it has put hello world onto the console just there. Now if you can't see your console, you need to go to Window, Show View, and then select Console from this menu, and then it will appear down here. So anything in this system.out.print command in these brackets will be printed, but it is only going to do that if you put it into strings. So whatever message you put in must be between these two speech marks. So if we change this to something else, we'll put hi, my name is Fred. And if we run this again, here we go. Hi, my name is Fred. Now let's say we're going to put another command in there, and we'll do the same sort of thing again. System dot out print open bracket speech marks, and we'll put hello again. And again, you need to put the semicolon at the end of the command. Oh, where's the dot out? And then we shall run this. eventually, after my computer decides to do something. There you see, the first command we said print out hi my name is Fred, and it's done hi my name is Fred, and then we just told it to print hello again. But if you notice here, it's printed hello again straight after it's printed hi my name is Fred. The print instruction will print to the screen, and then if you print again, it will print straight after the last thing you printed. It will not do a new line, put a space in, nothing like that. To do that, you need to change it to print ln, and then Java will automatically enter a new line for you, or character return. So if you then run that again, we're hoping to see that after each command it will print and it will start the next one, hello again, on a new line to make it more readable. So the first line, it's printed out hello my name is Fred. It's printed hi my name is Fred, but because we use the print ln, it is then added a new line for you, which brings it back down here, and then it will print again hello again, and it's printed hello again, and then it will return down here. But as we've not printed anything yet, but the next thing if we do print will appear here. Okay, so that's the print and println command. Very simple, printing out to the console. So let's just recap what we've done here. We've created a public class and called it my first app. We have created then the public main method to be called, so Java knows where to start executing our program. So the very first line within this method is this one here, which is system.out.println hi my name is Fred. Then it will go on to the next instruction after that, which is system.out.println hello again. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we shall look at variables. This will be a bit bigger video, but this is a simple program to get you going. So you've created your very first Java program, so well done. Until next time, happy programming.